Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll talk about how you can run SQL query in Google Colab. Okay, because you want to practice SQL query in online, so you can easily do this SQLite library. Like if you use any other's laptop, or you don't have your own laptop everywhere, okay, in office maybe, so you want to practice SQL query anywhere, so you can easily do this in this library. Okay, so how you can do this in this video, I'll tell you step by step. First you have to import SQLite 3 library. After importing, you have to just create a connection object, so that SQLite 3 connect and create database. Okay, so you can connect to this database. Then you have to create a cursor object. You have to connect to cursor, so that you can write SQL query, and you can create, delete, any execute connection between database. You can do this using a cursor object. Okay, in this cursor object you can do every step, like to creating database, creating a table, to executing query. Every time you have to use cursor, and then you have to I write that query, like you use write in any MySQL or SQL server for creating a table. Create table. If not exist, I create a table, just name and age and id is auto increment, a primary key. Okay, you have to write every time cursor dot execute. Within this, using this, you can perform write SQL query in the Google Colab. Okay, I just run this one by one and see. Create a connection and cursor object, and then create a table, and then I insert a data into this table. Okay, cursor dot execute. You write every time cursor dot execute to execute the query. Insert into a student name, age, and I will give the name, and then I run the query, and then I just cursor dot execute and select start from student where name is Rajesh. So I just want to see the table, just what the table is. Then I like just SQL. Let's see. The many times the, because I run this command before executing the creating the video, so that's why the many uh, name is same name inserted many times. Okay, if you do one time, so it will have one time. Like I want to see this only name whose name is Rajesh, so I just write where name is equal to, let's see. So I just I just were wrong here. Write the same. Right, it will execute it. Okay, I just, you have to keep in mind that if I use a second double inverted comma, so you have to use here single inverted comma. Okay, that's why it is getting error. And you can just fetch all rows, and you can see that, but the name is only Rajesh. Okay, you can do this easily. Like I want to find the average age. So average age and only have Rajesh, the average age of Rajesh name. Okay, you can easily write every SQL query that you do in the SQL server or MySQL. Okay, same. You have to just write every time cursor dot execute, and you can do this. And also you can import Pandas as PD. If you do this using Pandas to transform your table into Pandas data frame. Okay, How you can do this? Same, you have to just write pd dot read underscore SQL, and you have to pass your query SQL underscore query. I just keep the SQL query in the SQL query variables, and you can pass it to read underscore SQL, and you can also write this same thing here also. Okay, copy this and first I run and see how this is, you can transform in Pandas data frame. Okay, easily. Okay, you don't need to store extra variable. You can pass it right easily here. Okay, just this copy paste it, and the same you can also do this like this. Okay. This is the video. In this way, you can easily run Google SQL query in Google Colab and execute SQL query in Google Colab easily in just using SQLite query. If you like this particular video, please thumbs up, and if you have any query, please let me in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel because I upload this type of video in future. Okay. Thank you.